This is Ryan with GameRoomSolutions.com, and today I'm excited to show off our new Bartop arcade stand. This stand will set your Bartop up to where the controls are around 35 inches, which should be comfortable for standing or sitting during gameplay. It comes with the artwork already pre-applied and laminated. You can use the provided Photoshop files to design your own, or you can pick from previous customer designs. You can choose which T-molding color that you want that comes with it, full cam lock system to put it together, an adjustable shelf, and also a keyboard drawer. So let's get started. This is going to be pretty quick because it's really easy to go together, but the first thing you want to do is anywhere that there's a T-molding slot, make sure and put T-molding, so that's pretty easy to see. That'll probably be the longest part of this process. Lay something down. You can see I'm at the shop, so a sweatshirt worked for me, but lay something down so you don't run your graphics on the side. Put it on the right side, and then you'll put all of the cam screws in. You'll see everywhere there's a hole for that. You can see here that the drawer, there's pre-drilled holes for that, so it'll come with that. There's shelf adjusters here, so you can adjust your shelf. On the front, there's a clip, so you put the clip on the top. There's a clip. So you install this by putting in the footboard, the bottom, the back, the top, and then the front. And on the top here, I want to show you there's 4 holes. And what these are for is on our deluxe cabinet going forward, we'll have 4 holes as well. So that way this will come with a little anchor bolt and wing nut. So you'll just push those through and then wing nut it onto it. Secure this together. If you're using a different bar top, I'd highly suggest that you drill out that pattern and then make sure and secure it to it. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and put the top on. So I'll just put it in the cams or in these holes, and I will secure everything together, set it up, put it in the drawer in the front, and we'll take a look. Okay, so just to show you guys kind of what this one looks like, and again, you can do your own art or pick previous customer art. Again, adjustable shelf that can go up or down. You have your keyboard slide out here. Just as a preview, we plan to do a little trackball unit that can set here that you can plug USB into your bar top. Show you this side. This should fit well with my bar top. You guys have probably already seen it. I just hadn't seen it on this yet. So that's it. This is our bar top stand. Make sure and like the video. There you go. And thanks. Yeah.